Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and duplicating the layer so you can always revert. Select a tool suited to edges, quick selection, magic wand, or pen, because precise edges reduce cleanup time. Set zoom to 100-200% for detail and enable a high contrast view or overlay to see separation clearly. Once done, make an initial rough selection around the subject. This first pass gives you a mask base, and it's faster than trying to cut perfect edges immediately. Now refine the rough selection. Enter the Select and Mask workspace or use Refine Edge to treat hair and soft borders. Increase radius slightly and activate Smart Radius so the algorithm captures fine strands, then switch to the Refine brush to paint over problem areas. You should alternate between adding and subtracting with a small soft brush, because manual correction resolves algorithm errors. Make sure to output to a mask layer so you can non-destructively tweak edge opacity and feathering later. Finish by applying the mask or exporting the file as PNG/PSD to preserve transparency. This lets you place the subject on any new background. When compositing, match lighting and color by adjusting curves, hue, and shadow to sell the cutout. If you see halos or color fringing, use Decontaminate Color or sample edge colors with a low opacity brush to paint away remnants. If things still look off, undo to the duplicated layer and refine the mask with a slightly larger or smaller feather until edges blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.